In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Hostgator Webmail. Whether you're new to this or just need a refresher, we're going to make it simple and straightforward. Let's jump right in. First, you want to visit Hostgator's website. So open your web browser and navigate to hostgator.com. It's crucial to always ensure you're on the official website to avoid any phishing sites or lookalikes. Once there, you'll notice a clean and user-friendly interface designed to help you easily find what you need. Next, we're going to click on the Sign In button. You should see this option located on the top right corner of the Hostgator homepage. Clicking here will direct you to the login page. Make sure you have your login credentials handy. If you're not signed in already, take a moment now to enter your username and password. And remember, keeping your login details secure is important, so never share them casually. Once you're logged in, look for the section labeled Hostgator Home. You might find it helpful to use the search function on the page if you have trouble locating it. Clicking here will take you to a main overview page that provides you with various account management options. From billing details to site management, this is your go-to hub. Now we need to locate and click on the hosting section. This should be prominently displayed among the navigation options. Clicking on hosting will guide you to further options related to your hosting services with Hostgator. This section helps you manage everything from domains to website databases, making it a crucial part of managing your online presence. Next, look for and click on cPanel Email. This will bring you to the cPanel dashboard, which is the control center for your web hosting account. If you're unfamiliar with cPanel, it's an incredibly powerful tool that lets you handle various hosting capabilities such as managing files, databases, and of course emails. Once you're in the cPanel, you'll see an option labeled Email Accounts. Click on this. Here you'll find everything related to your webmail accounts. This includes viewing existing email accounts, creating new ones, and perhaps adjusting the settings to suit your needs. Experiment with different settings if you like, but tread carefully and always double check any changes before finalizing them. This will ensure you maintain appropriate email preferences and security. That's it, you've navigated through the Hostgator platform to access your webmail. It wasn't as tricky as it might have seemed at first, was it? With a bit of practice, you'll be doing this in no time without having to give it a second thought. If you have any questions, remember you can always reach out to Hostgator support for further assistance. Thank you for watching, and I hope this walkthrough has been helpful to you.